Hello, and welcome to another video of learning AI through Google products free of cost. This video is completely dedicated for developers who would like to get started with AI, generative AI, people who have missed the bus on AI. So in this video, I'm going to focus on how do you get started for developers. If you want to learn AI, if you want to understand where to start, your place is Google AI Studio. I'm going to walk you through step by step on how to do it. Number one is Google AI Studio provides you all Gemini models. That means for all generative AI, you need models, large language models, generative AI models. And Google models are known as Gemini models. Gemini 3.1 Pro and Flash are the latest models. And then you have VO for video, Lyria, and things like that. You would learn as we go. You have advanced settings, ignore for now, but we will come back to these settings when we do vibe coding and a lot of other things. Then you have vibe coding and app building. Using Google AI Studio, you can build applications within minutes. Yes, you can build applications, apps within minutes, and you can just prompt, you can imagine, think, write in English, and it's going to create an application for you. Then you have the Google AI Studio workflow, how to ideate, prototype, get the code. I'm going to walk you through the entire thing and then see what a full stack developer would do to get an app from zero to production. Make sense? Let's get started. So to ease things, what I have done is I have created this sheet and ignore agent's instructions, but you're going to follow these instructions. Many of the viewers have contacted me and said that Gemini Enterprise may not be available for all of you, and therefore I'm making this series of video to help general students, people who are trying to learn AI, getting started on AI. All right, so this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to walk you through step-by-step instructions. So step number one, register and log in. So open your browser, type aistudio.google.com, or you can also just search for AI Studio. Sign into Google AI Studio, and then if you have a registration, you need to have a Gmail account, so you need to have a registration done and everything that is a regular thing. Now, let's do it. I'm going to use a feature in Chrome known as split view. So this is not for you. I'm just doing it for the video. So this is to ensure that I have both the screens together so that I can get the step. This you can open up on your browser. Let's walk with me. On the Google, you are going to say Google AI Studio. And you would find Google AI Studio. The first link, click on this, and you would get a screen like this. All right. Next, you are going to go to dashboard. This is your playground. So access the playground. Here is the playground. Next, once you are on the dashboard, click on the create a new prompt. I'm going to show you how to do that. Select chat prompt. So in the playground, you have options. So you make sure that you are in playground. You can hide it so that you have a little bit more space. On the top, you can see the models that are available. As I said, 3.1 Pro Preview is the latest model from Google. Let's select that. In the system, so you can watch, like, make sure you click on everything, just try to learn. And as then when we go, I'll explain you everything step by step. Here in the system instructions, I am going to create a prompt, which is this one. So I'm going to create for this video. And the link to this sheet is in the video description section below. I'm going to create accelerated learning coach. So let's do that. So I'm going to copy this column number D, just copy from here, go to system instructions. You see in system instructions on the right side. So selected the model, and then in the system instructions, I'm going to add this. So click on system instructions, Control V. Just add everything that it is. Now, what you are doing here, you are using one set prompt for all the interactions that you're going to have in this session. I repeat, what you're doing is setting up a prompt where you're going to have all the interactions with this for this session, for this system instructions. All right. Now, in the title, you're going to copy paste this accelerated learning coach. There you go. That's it. And it is saved. Close this. You can see the system instructions. Ignore everything for now. And of course, you can obviously start looking at it, but ignore everything for now. Go back in here and see how it can run. So please help me learn about something in 90 minutes. Copy this and paste it here. So please help me learn something in the next 90 minutes. So ask a user prompt. This is the user prompt. You have to understand what it is. This is the user prompt, and this is your system instructions. So locate the type something, which is here, enter your specific request, and click on run. The run is here. You can alternatively use, if you're using MacBook, the command and enter. And what it does is, it creates a plan for you to learn Gemini Enterprise in 90 minutes. Because the system instruction said that. Now, let it run. It's going to take a little bit of time. Once it is run and developed, you can create an application from here. Just this video is a getting started video. I'm just going to show you get code option. Look at that. It wrote the code for you. And I can copy this code, open it in Colab. I can paste you a link to how to do Colab. There are a lot of different stuff like download the code and API documents, which we are going to walk you through step by step in these video series. But for now, you got it started. You just created an application with the code. Obviously, you have not deployed the application, but you have just created an application with the code, which helps you generate a training program in a particular time. So Pareto focus, 90 minutes ultra spirit, high efficiency resources, and things like that. Now, why don't you do one thing? Try as a homework, as a do it yourself, and before you watch the next video, try and create a training plan for learning Google AI Studio. That's number one. Number two is, if you go to this sheet, there are so many different types of agents and all the details. Please try each of these agents one by one. And you can also look at the YouTube videos here that describe every step of the way, how you can do it, but not on Google AI Studio. The only difference is the videos here are going to show you how to do it on Gemini Enterprise, but you're going to follow the same instructions and the title and the prompt as I just showed you. All right, so stop this video. This is a start of your AI journey. Stay with me and we'll get it through. Again, thank you so much for watching.